Hello, this is Tyrone Taylor with Junkers101.com, also known as theflipman.com. Today, I want to take you through creating your absentee list for your postcard marketing campaign to attract motivated sellers. The service that I use and many others use to accomplish this with is realquest.com. As you see here, I have I'm logged into the account already. It's a great service. It does a lot of other things as far as evaluating properties, pulling comps, and so on. Now, RealQuest is only as good as the information that the county that you're doing business in provides. Just always understand that. With RealQuest, it works best in Internet Explorer, NIE, just to keep that note there if you use the service. But basically, if you don't know what an absentee owner is, well, before I go into that, let me brand everything. Make sure you have your annotations on if you're here on YouTube watching this video. That'll lead you to more information that I have, such as the other 50+ video tips that I have here online in my channel. Make sure that you add me as a friend on Facebook. You can go to facebook.com/theflipman. That's facebook.com/THEFLIPMAN. Also follow me on Twitter at twitter.com/theflipman. All right. Well, I pressed something wrong here. Okay, here I am. All right. To go on with the actual tip, the area that you want to create your postcard list in is custom. All right. Once you're there, you're going to select the county where you want to target your absentee list. The first thing that you'll do is you'll select the state, then obviously the county that you're going to target. The next thing is step 2. Here is that you'll click in this area, type the letter L, which will take you to land use, and then in the criteria box here, type S. You want to search for SFR, which stands for single family residence. Add that to your criteria list. Okay, you see it here. It's added. Okay, the next thing is you want to already know what zip codes you want to target. So go back to step 2 in the search tool, select the letter S, scroll down to site zip code. All right, in this example, I'm going to put in a few zip codes here locally here in my market. You have a from and a to, which means that you can do a range. But what you want to do instead of a range, you want to designate the one zip code twice and do the add and enter more option here. So the zip code I'm entering is 35211. I'm going to add that zip code. You see it's added here, site zip code. The next one I'm going to do 35208. Do that twice, from and to. All right, I'll just do that too. You could do a lot more, but I'll just do that too. I just wanted to show you how it actually works. All right, the next thing you want to do is choose owner status. So you go back to your search tool, select the letter O for owner, and select owner status. Then you select absentee owner. You add that to your criteria list. Okay, see it's there, owner status. All right, the next thing you want to do, you can get as detailed as bedrooms and bath. As far as the property, you can get into building or living area that's identified as square footage also, if you want to add those different criterias. But that's going to be on what you're actually trying to target. You may want to only do houses 1,000 square feet or above, or you may only want to do 3 bedrooms or more, or 2 baths or more. You know, all of that's possible. I'll select the baths here. It has the from and to option, the bedrooms, the from and to, building area, living area, which is the square footage, from and to. Now, you can get even more detailed. Select here back in the search tool, and select M, and you can do the mailing zip, because what will happen is that with an absentee owned, that means that they don't live in the property, but they own it. So you can exclude all the zip codes in your market and just target all the zip codes outside of your market, be within the same state but outside your market. So what we'll do here, just an example, Birmingham, most of the zip codes, I'm in Birmingham, Alabama, start with the 35. So what you would do is 0001 through 34999. I would add that as a mailing zip to the owners, and then what I would do is 36000 to 99999. Okay, that should cover basically not all but most of the zip codes outside of the Birmingham metropolitan area. All right, as far as absentee owners. So now I have an option to go ahead and submit this list here. You can sort the list in option step 4 here. You can start sorted by any number of items, basically everything above in the search tool. But normally I stick with owner name and then maybe the site zip code. The reason you want to do owner name is because some owners will own multiple properties, and you want those all to appear at once. You may want to actually go through the list and just check out, delete some of those from the list. But once you have that selected as for sort selection, you can save the project. I won't actually save it, but you can just name it whatever, and you save it. And you can go back up here to the retrieve option to retrieve the project right here to the left here above custom search on the screen. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and submit this list here. All right, it came up with 748 possible searches. All right, now go ahead and accept. And there's your list. Now, of course, you can go in and somewhat filter through. It just depends on how many that you have here. But just to speed this up, dealing with YouTube videos, so I only have 10 minutes. Hopefully I can get it all in. I'm going to go ahead and export. All right, and step 1 here is the actual format that your list should be set up in, because what you're going to do, you're going to download this list and upload it to another website, which I may get to in another video or not. It's basically, I guess I have to say something for my students or whatever, but you're basically going to save it and you upload it to another list. Upload it to another site that will create the postcard list and all that will mail it for you. But anyway, the option that you want to take advantage of is national format standard, and I'll do upper and lowercase, include field names in the header row, and you want to do a CSV file and all records here in option 4, and from there you begin export. You want to save it, choose a folder, maybe in your My Documents, name the file, and select save, and that's it. And this is basically how you create an absentee list for marketing postcards or letters to attract motivated sellers. Obviously, with that letter, you'll want to include more information, which I provide those in my course also. But At the end of the day, it's a great marketing tool for those that don't want to use bandit signs. If you'd like to know more about this or just wholesaling in general, obviously I have the course online. I actually come to your city also, but the true value in what I offer is that I will actually walk you through deals. This is Tyrone Taylor with Junkers 101, also known as theflipman.com. Please go to my website. You can learn more about me, download my free one-page contract that I use. Give me a call or text me at 205-492-3425. Thanks and have a great day.